In the name of Allah, the most merciful and almighty. Assalamu alaikum students, hope you will be fine. Today is Saturday, 2nd May 2020. We are starting our new exercise 3b, which is factorization. Let me define factorization: a process in which a number or expression is written as a product of factors. For example, 15 is a number. We can write it 3 multiplied by 5. So 3 and 5 are the factors of 15. So factorization is a process in which a number, which is 15, or expression we can write x square minus 9 equal to x plus 3 and x minus 3. So a number or expression written as a product of factors. So the factors are 3 and 5, and here the factors of x square minus 9 are x plus 3 and x minus 3. Starting our exercise, the first question is factorize each of the following expression completely. So part A is a square plus 9a plus 8. A square plus 9a and plus 8. This is part A in question number 1. The method for factorization is you have to multiply the constant term and the coefficient with the square term. You have to multiply these two numbers. So 8 multiplied by 1 is 8, and here the middle number is a, so 9. You have to find two numbers which multiply gives us 8 and addition or subtraction gives us 9. So the numbers are 8 multiplied by 1. So this is equal to 8, the multiplied term, and 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. So this is the middle term. So we will split the middle term, that is 9, into 8 and 1. So a square plus 8a plus 1a and plus 8. Now making a pairs, so these two will be paired and these two are be paired. So the common term in these two are a. So a into the remaining is a plus 8. Here in these two terms the common is 1. So 1 and a plus 8. In this expression a plus 8 is common. So we will write a plus 8 and a with 1, a plus 1. This is your answer, and these two are the factors of a square plus 9a plus 8. Okay, the next part I have to solve, that is part D, d square minus 16d plus 28. So the same method, we will multiply the constant term and the coefficient with the square term. So 28 multiplied by 1 is 28. Now the middle term is minus 16. Minus 16. So find two numbers which multiplication gives us 28 and addition or subtraction gives us minus 16. So 14 multiplied by 2. This is equal to 28. And 14 plus 2 equal to 16. But there we need minus 16. So you will change the sign, minus 14 and minus 2. So minus 14 minus 2 will be equal to minus 16. Now the numbers are minus 14 and minus 2, and minus 14 multiplied by minus 2 gives us plus 28. So d square minus 16 will be split on minus 14 and minus 2. So minus 14 d minus 2d and plus 28. Making a pairs 1, 2. In these two the common is d. The remaining will be d minus 14. Here minus 2 is common. So minus 2 is common. So d minus plus minus and 2 14s are 28. The common are d minus 14. So d minus 14 and d with minus 2. d minus 2. So d minus 2 and d minus 14 are the factors of d square minus 16d plus 28. Now question number 2, factorize each of the following expression completely. So part A is 3n square plus 10n plus 7. We have the same method, 7 multiplied by 3. 7 3 is a 21, and the middle term is plus 10. So find two numbers which multiplication gives us 21 and addition or subtraction gives us 10. So the numbers are 7 and 3. So 7 multiplied by 3 is equal to 21, and 7 plus 3 equal to 10. So as we need positive numbers, so 10 is positive. So the numbers are 7 and 3. So we will split 10 by 7 and 3. So 3n square plus 7n plus 3n and plus 7. Making pairs. Here the common terms are n. The remaining will be 3n plus 7. In these two the common is 1. So the remaining is 3n plus 7. If there is no common, so we have one common in the terms. So 3n plus 7 and 3n plus 7. 3n plus 7 are common. Remaining is n plus 1. Solving next part in question number 2, that is part E. 8s square plus 2s minus 15. So the same process, 15 multiplied by 8. Minus 15 multiplied by 8 is minus 120, as minus multiplied by plus is minus, and 15 multiplied by 8 is 120, and the middle term is plus 2. So find two numbers which multiplication gives us minus 120 and addition or subtraction gives us 2. So let us consider two numbers, 40 multiplied by 3. This is equal to 120. 40 plus 3 doesn't give us plus 2, and 40 minus 3 also doesn't give us plus 2. So this is wrong. The correct number here is minus 12 multiplied by minus 10. Minus multiplied by minus. Now minus multiplied by minus is plus, and 12 multiplied by 10 is 120. But we need minus 120, so we will change the sign. We will put minus 12 multiplied by 10. So minus 12 multiplied by 10 is minus 120. But if we add minus 12 plus 10, so minus 12 plus 10, this gives us minus 2, and we need plus 2. We will change the sign again. So 12 multiplied by minus 10, this gives us minus 120. Multiplied by minus 10 equal to minus 120, and 12 minus 10 equal to plus 2. So these are our numbers. So we will split the number by 12 and minus 10. So 8s square plus 12s and minus 10s minus 15. In common in these two are 4s. So 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8 and s, plus 4 3s are 12. In these two common is minus 5. So 5 2s are 10 and s, minus minus plus 5 3s are 15. 2s plus 3 and 2s plus 3 are common. So 2s plus 3 and 4s with minus 5. 4s minus 5. So these are the factors of 8s square plus 2s minus 15. Now question number 3, part A, is minus a plus 2a plus 35. In this question, first we have to take common. So in all these we have minus 1 common, so the remaining will be a minus 2a and minus 35. Now the method is the same. 35 multiplied by 1 equal to 35. Minus 35 and 1 is minus 35, and the middle one is minus 2. So find two numbers which multiplications gives us minus 35 and addition or subtraction gives us minus 2. So the numbers are minus 7 multiplied by 5. This is equal to minus 35, and minus 7 plus 5 equal to minus 2. So minus 2 and minus 35 are odd numbers. So we will split minus 2a by minus 7 and plus 5. So minus into this is square, a square minus 7a plus 5a and minus 35. Minus will be on its own place. Pairing, so here a is common, so a into a minus 7 plus 5 is common, 5 into a minus 5 7s are 35, minus into a minus 7 is common in both, so a minus 7 and a with plus 5, a plus 5. This is your factors. Now looking to part G, the question is 30 plus 14k minus 4k square. So first of all we have to arrange the expression. The first one will be square, the second will be power with power 1, and the third one will be constant. So minus 4k square, the square term, plus 14k and plus 30. Looking for common, so minus 2 is common in this expression. So 2 to the 4 and k square. Minus plus is minus, 2 7s are 14 and k, and minus plus is minus, and 2 15s are 30. Now 15 multiplied by 2 is 30. So minus 15 multiplied by 2 is minus 30. And the middle term is minus 7. So find two numbers which multiplication gives us minus 30 and addition or subtraction gives us minus 7. So the numbers are minus 10 multiplied by 3. So this is equal to minus 30, and minus 10 plus 3 equal to minus 7. So minus 7 and minus 30 are the odd numbers. So we will split minus 7 on minus 10 plus 3. So minus 2 into 2k square minus 10k plus 3k and minus 15. Taking the pairs, minus 2 into, here 2k is common, so the remaining is k minus 2 5s are 10. Here plus 3 is common, the remaining is k minus 3 5s are 15. Now minus 2 into k minus 5 and k minus 5 are common, so k minus 5 and 2k with plus 3, 2k plus 3. So these are the factors of minus 4k square plus 14k and plus 30. Here is your assignment on page number 111, exercise 3b. So I have solved question number a square plus 9a plus 8, and part D, d square minus 16d plus 28. In the second question I have solved question number A and question number E. In the third question I have solved the first one, part A, and part G. So the rest of the questions are your home assignment. try to solve these questions. If you have any problem, I will try to solve it in my next video. Thank you.